Hello everybody, happy Sunday. Look what I got. I bought myself a Mother's Day gift from DIOR. Beautifully packaged. Oh my god, just like a dream, right? So let's unbox it. The box is so pretty. This is all the samples. It's the lip oil. Let's see how pretty it is. Their packaging is just stunning. Look how cute that is. Let's see what it looks like. Feels so good. So pretty. And then I got a Forever Glow Minimizer. Look how pretty this is. Look at the color of that. It's just stunning. Right on your cheek. So pretty. And then I got the Forever Glow Luminizer. A beautiful highlighter. Let's see what this one looks like. The packaging is going to be beautiful. Look at that. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Look how pretty that is. Another beautiful. Let's see what it looks like on. Let's see what it looks like on. Goes just a little shimmer. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now this is luxury. And the Forever Glow Luminizer with this and the lip oil. And then they gave me this little bag with samples. And I got 4 samples, I believe. Miss DIOR sample. And then I got a J'adore sample. And then I got this. Look how pretty that is. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells so pretty. It's like a vanilla scent. It's called Boss Talisman, Christian Dior. And it comes in that little package. So, that was my little DIOR unboxing. This is so pretty. I hope you all enjoyed it. So this whole set was $137 for Mother's Day. So you got a full size, a mini, a full size, and then all of these 3 samples for $130, which was not bad. And it comes beautifully boxed in this beautiful DIOR box. Alright, everybody. Have a great Sunday, and I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing of my first DIOR purchase. Bye. See you later.